Wait 4 minutes. Copy the username, open GCP project, paste it here, and copy password, sign in. Yeah. What we do? First thing, set up a requirement in task 1. Access the cloud code, copy the ID URL and in the lab panel, copy it here and paste in a new browser window. Click on plus icon and paste it here and click on enter. Yeah, accept it. Yeah, now clone repository. Select the source control button. Yeah, this is the source control button. Come here and click on this source control button. Click on this and now click on clone repository button and paste the code in that and click on clone from URL. Yeah, click on clone repository and and click on enter. Yeah, now click on OK. Yeah, OK. Click on OK and open the folder and click on open here. Open is here. Select the cloud code. Here the cloud code and Kubernetes button of slide panel and click on add cluster of the Qconfig. This is the cloud code. Click on this and Google Kubernetes engine. Now we have to ask to create a cluster your project. Select the dev cluster and select the dev cluster and click on check my progress. Wait 1 minute, you will see the green tick. Yeah, it's created. Now select the cloud, same thing, click on this and click on run on Kubernetes. Click on this and click on run on Kubernetes. I have selected now. Click on this file. Yeah, come here bro. Click on this, click on run on Kubernetes, select this file. Click on yes and press enter to the project ID. Yeah, all done. And now the test tab, cloud code and Kubernetes. Click on this now. Yeah, and in deployment sessions, look at the deployment resources. Yeah, click on this in deployment session. Yeah, deployment resources. In deployment resources, click on services and click on default web external and click on external IPs, and then right click to external IP and copy resource name. Yeah, click on services. Where is services? Click on services. Yeah, click on default dev. Click on default dev external. Yeah, here is default dev external, and click on external IPs. Click on external IPs. Now right click on the value of external IP and select copy resource name. Right click, copy resource name. You should see the front end and paste the URL in browser. Paste it here and vote for either tab or spaces at the result. Yeah, now vote for tab. Yeah, IL already voted. Then test the app. What is the sixth? Cleanup. How to clean up? Pressing the red square stop button. Where is red square stop button? Here is red square stop button and click on yes. Yeah, yes. This way cloud. Yeah, assignment is completed.